Hi, I'm Seth Merriam, the illustrator of the book called Building Your Own Dock. In this video, I'm going to show you how a roller dock is made. A roller dock makes it easier to move a larger section when it's on wheels. Building the dock with removable panels makes it much easier because it's lighter when moving the frame into position. We're using pressure-treated 2x6 lumber for our framing and 5/4 decking. This large corner iron allows you to attach hinges. Hinges work on floating docks and rolling docks that might roll on uneven ground. Together, these two dock sections will make a 32-foot roller dock. To find the plan for the 16-foot-long roller dock, go to our website in the Plans section. Now that these dock sections are completed, I'll take you down to the lake, where these waterfront enthusiasts are going to assemble their roller dock.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Hey Jack, we're building the dock on wheels.
Well, why doing that?
It's a lot easier to move a 16-foot dock when it's on wheels than it would be to carry it.
I just was wondering, how'd you see my jitterbug anywhere? Seem to have lost it.
In the long run, the dock wheel kits will save you time when installing larger dock systems, allowing you time for other things. Mounting your wheel kits towards the middle of your dock allows it to make much sharper turns than if it were on the end of the section. It also takes the weight off each end. The two dock legs and two wheels is fine for transportation, but here we're adding leg supports so we're not spanning more than 10 feet. We'll be using the J-brackets to add another section that we're going to use as a ramp to shore. The brass bolt is used to clamp down the corresponding section. Here we're going to use the brass bolt so we can use the J-bracket as a template for drilling our holes. The diagonal oblong holes are for height adjustment when lumber or decking thickness varies. This prevents trip hazards. The teeth on the backside of the J-bracket are for gripping into the wood once the bolts are tightened. That way, the bracket will not slip up or down. So, in order to adjust the height of your J-brackets, you'll need to loosen the bolts just enough so you can move the brackets up and down. Once the J-brackets are at the height you want them, go to the back side and tighten the nuts to secure them in place. Whenever using J-brackets, you should always reinforce the corners with corner irons. This will be on the dock section you're mounting the J-brackets to and the dock section that is resting on the J-brackets. One dock wheel kit includes 2 plastic wheels, 4 wheel washers, 2 wheel collars, 1 axle, 2 axle brackets, 2 safety caps, but not the legs that come down from the dock. The dock legs and braces are not included with the wheel kit because every location varies in height. Once the height of the dock legs is established, you can roll the dock in and out of the same location without a lot of adjustments.
Jack, what are you doing?
Pigs here. Want one? $1.29 down at the food dock. Better get them while they're hot. One for me, one for you.
You want to do something useful?
Sure.
Why don't you build me some braces for this roller dock?
Why, is this more stable?
Yep.
Okay.
The longer the legs, the more necessary it is to add braces before rolling the dock over bumpy terrain. Using these standard pressure-treated 2x4s, it doesn't take a lot of brains to be able to put these braces on your roller dock. Using a whoopie pie, you can draw a half circle to be cut out on the end of your 2x4 cross braces. This will keep people and other things from getting hurt on sharp edges. Using your dog's toenail clippers, you can trim off any extra splinters that are visible to the eye.
I think they said put one brace on one side and the other on the other side, and one side is one side of the other, and back. So,
The 2x4 braces will be held onto your dock legs using the part number 9149A, the 2x4 brace clamp. Remove the nut and washer from the carriage bolt, take the carriage bolt out, put the clamp around the pipe, put the carriage bolt back through the clamp and through the 2x4, and then reinstall the nut and washer. Tighten it up and this will secure the brace in place. The X-brace between the two dock legs was great for stability side to side. For stability to and from shore and rolling your roller dock around on bumpy ground, you'll want to have a brace that goes diagonally from the wood frame down to the dock leg.
See that? That's going to be rock solid.
The dock wheel kits work best when there's a gradual hill that goes down into the water.
Ah, who ate my whoopie pie?
Guess who?
This plastic dock wheel fills up with water and works best when submerged below rolling wave action. The hinge in between these two roller dock sections allows them to bend in the middle when rolling them in and out of the water together. A driving cap is used to pound the remaining pipes into the ground, which anchors the roller dock in place. The cap provides a flat surface for whaling on with your hammer and protects the top of the pipe. There are several benefits to our perforated decking that we chose on our ramp that goes to shore. The holes allow light to pass through from above, keeping vegetation alive down below. The holes allow waves to splash up through from the bottom without lifting force. The perforated holes can allow most of the dirt to fall off your feet before reaching the rest of the dock. One of the best things you'll love about a roller dock is that you can install it without getting in the water.